else. Get going. Go on. Go on. Hello, folks. Do you know what you need? You need the Snore No More. See, the Snore No More is like a mouth guard. What it does is you put it in, then it has 3 little holes right here, right there. That opens up the passageways. Yes, you will pop up the trouble, and yes, you won't be able to kiss or anything while it's in. So be careful. But what it does is once it's in, it opens up the passageways that allows air to flow, and then you don't snore at all. Isn't that a genius idea?
Snore No More dentures. They're just the right thing for me. Before I snored like a chainsaw. It was just terrible. I couldn't sleep anywhere near people because they just kicked me out. They just kicked me out.
Snore No More dentures, they just helped me so much because I was just, snoring and, I just snore, and so people, I bother people, but not really, I bother myself.
But after Snore No More dentures, they were just silent. I didn't snore one bit, not one bit.
So Snore No More dentures, it just helped me because I bother myself, wake up myself, and I'll be like, whoa, and then I'll just wake up myself because I snore.
Well, I did snore once, but that was the time I forgot to put them in. I just feel real good about using them because now I don't disturb people and I sleep a lot better.
And so these Snore No More dentures, Snore No More dentures, they says it all right there. Snore No More dentures. They're the best.
My mama wears a Snore No More, and I can finally have some peace and quiet for 25 years.
You sleep in your mama's basement?
Of course I do. It's nice and cool down there.
I had a heartbeat, I was breathing, and I kept going and going without a reason. I was living just to be living until he really gave me life. This much I know, I am not alone, and I know I'm not the only one who found a way home. It's not a secret, don't have to keep it deep inside. Hey, I there. We've been looking for ya. Hey, I there. We've been searching for ya. Hey, I there. Even love is your song.